back to my channel. My name's Emily. Today I wanted to do my everyday makeup for you guys because it has changed a bit since last year. I'm in the middle of a bit of a glow up. Do you like my new makeup bag? I am in the middle of a glow up video. If you want to see the full thing, that will probably be coming up on my channel either yesterday or tomorrow. I can't remember which one. So first things first, I have got some fake eyelashes on already as part of the glow up that I just wanted to have some permanent ones on. They're just these little mascara ones. They're really good. And I am slowly getting better. Pro tip, take pictures of yourself with them on from a distance and from close up, and then you can review if you like how they look, because I have some photos of me wearing them last time and they just don't look good on my eye shape the way I was wearing them. I was wearing them in like a cat eye and I just didn't like how they looked. By the way, I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin for my primer. I'm also mid-fake tan, so you're gonna have to ignore that. I'm gonna be using my like winter shade. You guys, I was just sick of being super pale. Anyway, so my look this winter has been pretty pale, loads of blush and absolutely no bronze, so I'm gonna do that again. Sorry, it's not gonna match my neck, I know. Guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, remember to subscribe, because most people who watch my videos aren't actually subscribed, and I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of vlogmas. So if you like fashion, makeup, lifestyle content, then go ahead and subscribe, because I would really appreciate it. And I think you'd enjoy it. Okay, so obviously it's not the most insane coverage, but this is just like everyday normal makeup. I always go in with this, the Multitasker by Rimmel, and I use a lighter. This used to be more jarring in the summer. I know people say that this doesn't look good in photos, but I've never had an issue with it. Like, I've taken flash photos and they've never looked bad. So maybe it's just this, or maybe people are really going like crazy. But this is just a normal shade, I think. I don't know what shade it is. Oh, ivory, and I don't have any issues with it, and I think it looks good in person, which is normally what those people, when they're critiquing using really light highlighter, they're always saying, oh, it looks bad in photos. But I don't know, it's always been good for me. I just drag a little bit onto my eyelids to just cover up the veins slightly. Next, I'm gonna set it very slightly with some NARS powder, only because it's fairly drying and I don't want to dry it out even more. So next I always move on to blush. I've started using a mixture between these two. This is a very peachy shade. I don't know the brand anymore, it's run out. It's Bourjois and it's in Rose Coupe de Foudre. And then I've got this maxi blush in the shade 3, which is Wild Card. And I go in between these because I don't want to get rid of this blush, but it's so bright, it's insane. So I get loads of the peach and then the tiniest bit of the pink and then back to the peach. And then boom. I've been really heavy on my blush this winter, but I think it looks okay. I've kind of been inspired by that like I'm cold makeup, so I always bring it right up to my cheeks like that. And then I use a bit of bronzer. You can tell how much I use this. I love this. It's the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in Sunlight, shade number 1. And I just normally bring my blush back to my cheekbones with this. This looks quite intense. And then I'm normally in a rush, so I just do the edges of my forehead like this and this, and then I've just started doing the sides of my nose as well, but not nose contour, just to like add a bit of colour into my face. Now next, because I have eyelash extensions on already, I don't really know what the vibe is with mascara. I'm just not going to put any on because I want to keep these eyelashes for a few days, but I'm gonna zoom in slightly. I hate doing this, but just so you can see what I do, I'm using the Too Faced Natural palette, and as always, I'm going to use less is more. That is one thing that hasn't changed. But I'm also going to mix it with Heaven, just to make it slightly paler brown. I literally just put it on my eyelids like that. Nothing crazy. And then I use my matte waterproof. It's the Maybelline Everlasting Drama. Or just Lasting Drama even. Mine's drying out, I need to get a new one. I always just do a little line directly out the side. I'm not doing any kind of curved wing or anything. It's just like basically a little line, like a little triangle. I think I am going to use a bit of mascara just only on the bottom lashes, and then call that a day. I think that looks fine. Now I still don't have anything for my eyebrows, but I'm getting much closer to actually caving in and buying something for my eyebrows, because I just feel like the better the rest of my makeup gets, the more my eyebrows are like left behind. But for now, I'm just brushing them up with this Juvia's Palace gel and a bunch of water, because apparently that's how you're supposed to do it. I don't know, somebody on set told me that and it's worked ever since. So I don't know if this is heavy makeup. I feel like it looks heavy, but those contour sticks give you so much coverage. But I don't know, I really like how it looks. I have one more thing. I'm gonna do my lips, but all my lip stuff is in my handbag, so I'll be back. I'm currently in between handbags. This old one from last year is now, it's my work handbag, and then I have my brown one, my brownie purpley ready one, which is my proper handbag. But I'm like stuck in between. I need to have an actual like set inventory that's specifically for my work one and specifically for my real life one. So depending on the makeup look and the amount of vitamin D I've had, the amount of tan, I have these 3 lip pens from NYX. One is coffee, one is nude pink, and one is peekaboo neutral. Peekaboo neutral is the one that works 99% of the time. So I've just got a lip oil, actually a Revolution lip oil, that I got in the advent calendar, and I'll be doing a review of that at the end of the month, so subscribe. I'm just overlining, nothing crazy. And then I might go in with that coffee one and do maybe the edges of my lips. This changes day to day. I'm gonna do a bit of a darker lip now. I went to a networking event the other night and I used this combo for the first time and I was in love. So that's the coffee one, and I've overlined my lips. It's a bit darker than I normally go. And then the next one is this Revolution. This is it's just called Glaze, and it's a lip gloss, but this thing burns after about 2 minutes, and it's great. So I'm just gonna slather it on. I love a lip gloss. This one didn't disappoint. The only bad thing I can say about the Revolution advent calendar is I don't think it's giving you stuff that's actually in the store. Like the stuff in the store looks a lot more like new, if that makes sense. So like stuff like this, I don't know. I don't know what the deal is, but the actual product is good. It's just the packaging is a bit like, nothing in the Revolution and the Superdrugs I go to actually looks like this. This looks like, I don't know, this packaging is a bit weak, but the product is still really good value. So this hasn't started to burn yet. Okay, the burning has started. I don't know if this actually plumps up your lips, but the gloss does last for like, mine lasted the whole hour I was at this networking event, so I can definitely recommend. But yeah, you guys, this was my everyday makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you did, because I'm doing videos for the rest of December. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!